Hi, in this video, I'm going to be walking you through how to move files from one Google Drive to another. And one of the biggest challenges when you have a lot of files, especially like in Google Drive, and probably you want to move from one drive to another drive, one of the biggest problems is that it's quite difficult to do. And most of the recommendations you'll be seeing online will be using Google Takeout. And with Google Takeout, you would, you log into it, you will have to mark out the files you want to export, and then you download them, and then you now re-upload them in the new account. So Google Takeout is more or less like a tool that allows you to move from one account to another. And then another option will just be to download everything you want to move and then re-upload them on the other side. But I will be showing you a solution and a way that I make things more easier for me. So there's this tool called Cyberduck. So basically with Cyberduck, I am able to literally drag and drop files from one server to another. The best part of using this tool is that when you log into your servers with it literally just opens it like a file manager, and then you're able to literally manage the files directly, especially if you have like servers online. This is quite useful. And then you're able to log in and move files manually instead of having to do that through like a terminal or something like that. But I've realized that you could also attach it to things like OneDrive, Microsoft Azure, Amazon S3, and most importantly for this video, Google Drive. I think you can as well figure out how to do that with the other cloud tools. Okay, so let's jump right into it. So yes, you visit the site cyberduck.io. I'll be placing that in the description. And yeah, like I said, you could use that on Mac or on Windows, and you could use that to, of course, support management of files across different cloud solutions. So first thing we can do, we can download it from the Microsoft Store for Windows computer, or you can download it from the Mac Store for Mac computer. But if you don't want to navigate the stores, you can just go directly and download it here for Windows or here for Mac OS. Okay, yeah. Again, this is a free tool, but of course you could support the developers by buying a registration key for just $10. But for what it's worth, it's quite a very good deal. Okay, so now let's jump right into Cyberduck. So first of all, I have it here opened. And the thing you want to do is to, first of all, log in to the first. So you want to move files from one Google Drive to another Google Drive. So you want to, first of all, open the first Google Drive. And here's one thing. Okay, so actually my first Google Drive is connected here. And okay. And then I have to now open the second Google Drive. And how do I do this? Is here is the folders. Here is the bookmarked files. Here is the history, where you can also see the drive that it's connected to. And the solution to doing this is just press Command N, and then it opens up a new browser, and then I open connection, and then I choose the kind of server that I want to log into. So I choose Google Drive, and I click connect. When I click connect, it opens on the web, and now I have to choose the Google Drive account that I want to connect to. So let's say I choose, so I choose one of my drives, and then I continue, open, and then the browser asks me open in Cyberduck. Make sure you choose this option. And then yes, so we have successfully signed into the second account. One way that you could also verify this is that each window or instance of Cyberduck should be reflecting the two different email addresses. It should reflect the two different Gmail addresses. So here we have one Gmail address, and then on this second window we have a different Gmail address. Okay, so now the next thing we want to do is to actually move the files. So here, there's a specific file I wanted to move. Yeah, so we have a specific file I wanted to move, Clara intro video. So I drag and I go to the second window and just drop it. And then the file starts moving immediately. So here you can see it here, Clara intro video, and then the file will literally start moving to the new drive. Also, another thing to note is that your internet speed would actually affect how fast these files move. But again, yeah, this is literally how it works. Okay, so the file has completed sending, and if you see here, Clara intro video, copy complete, and on the drive here we could see it here, Clara intro video. This is this separate Gmail where I pasted it into, and this is where I copied it from, Clara intro video. So yes, so this is the way that you can be able to move files from one Google Drive to another. One thing to note is that your internet connection has to be strong enough. Your upload speeds have to be strong so that there's no network breaking. Thanks. Look forward to my next video. Bye.